I'm Nancie Rooney, Hollywood makeup artist, and this is how you can find your perfect shade with the Pure 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup. First, you want to understand your skin types. There's normal, oily, and then you have dry. My skin type is normal to slightly oilier in the T-zones. I found this product to be really, really beautiful finish on both textures of my skin without looking splotchy or uneven. Next, you want to understand the type of coverage you're looking for. This product is great for that light to medium coverage. Little blotches here and there, maybe an acne flare-up that happens once in a while. If you're looking for something that's more of a full coverage, that might mean you have scarring or sunspots or age spots. You also want to identify your skin's undertone. For the lighter skin tones, just looking at your wrist, and if you can see your veins through your wrist color, if you're seeing a red vein or a pink vein, that would be your skin undertone. When you have your medium to dark skin tones where you could tend to be a little bit more golden undertone, generally you'll see it in your neck. Dark to deep dark tones, you'll see those in your cheek, your chin, and in your neck. I have more of a pinky undertone, so I tend to prefer either a neutral or a slightly golden. The slightly golden mixes with the pink and gives me a little peachy feel so that I have a little life to my skin, a little bit more warmth to my skin. And now you're ready to match your shade. Go online, there is a section, pick your shade. The first option is to use your phone's camera. That will link up to the photo match system and come up with your perfect shade. Or you can answer 3 or 4 questions about your skin, about the quality of the undertones, and they will match up the perfect shade for you. I answered the few questions and I thought it was amazing because my shade is perfect for me. Once you receive the product, it is so easy to use. Stick your powder brush in there, swirl it around, and buff it on your skin and go. And that's all there is to it. Now you can find the perfect shade for your skin.